Welcome back or to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. So if you're new to this channel, I make mainly healthy recipes. Sometimes I do fitness videos and I'm basically just filming my fitness journey. And I'm vegan, so I make a lot of vegan food. Today is going to be one of those videos, what I eat in a day, what I do today. So let's get into it. So I'm in my kitchen trying to find something to have for breakfast. I'll probably just end up eating some fruit because I'm about to leave. And remember, my mom made fruit salad. I'm also going to have this raspberry coconut milk yogurt and top it with some granola. My favorite granola. This is my favorite vegan yogurt. Off to the store. So this is everything I got from the grocery store. I got some wraps to make burritos, corn tortillas for some fish tacos I'm gonna make, some cream cheese. I got some brown rice pasta, sun-dried tomatoes, and this pesto, vegan cashew kale pesto sauce. I'm gonna make that with all of this stuff, the pasta and the sun-dried tomatoes. Got that from Trader Joe's. And these cookies are the bomb. They taste like gingerbread cookies. They're snickerdoodle. And they're vegan. Got these from Trader Joe's. Some watermelon. These were on sale, like $1 per personal watermelon. And I got some frozen peaches to put in my smoothies. Frozen vegetables, make stir fry, some guacamole. I got this superfood pilaf, or pilaf, I don't know how you say it. So it's just carrots and potatoes, kale. Some roasted corn from Trader Joe's. I got these chickenless tenders from Trader Joe's as well. I got these vegetable masala burgers. These are delicious. I'm actually gonna put it in these wraps and some rice and stuff. Some fishless fillets for my fish tacos. Some blueberry waffles. And I'm gonna try this. This is on sale, so I grabbed it. It's the Gardein pasta. They have really good food. I like their meat products, so I wanted to give that a try. And some buffalo sauce for my cauliflower wing syrup, teriyaki sauce. I really like these fig bars. I got these from Krogers. This is the blueberry one, and I'm gonna try the brownie one. So yeah. Oh, I also got some potatoes, but I don't need to see that. Hello there. I just got finished working out on the treadmill for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna take a shower and make dinner. I'm so sweaty. So I'm about to cook some of this brown rice penne pasta. Make some pesto pasta. These are good. I only had the blueberry ones and strawberry. It's my first time trying the brownie one. I like it. Has dates in it. What else? So very simple ingredients. They also have a gluten-free version. So I boiled the pasta, now I'm adding the pesto sauce to it. And I'm also going to add some sun-dried tomatoes. And I normally add onions to this, like I saute onions and mushrooms, but I'm doing it the lazy way today. So this is what I had for lunch. I didn't really have anything else besides that brownie bar. For dinner I had some leftover cauliflower that I made yesterday. This is actually a recipe that I got from another channel. I'll link it in the description box. I just did my own thing and added panko breadcrumbs to it to make it more crunchy. And now I'm just adding this red hot buffalo wing sauce. And I'm gonna bake it in the oven until it's nice and crispy. And once they were done, I topped it with some more buffalo sauce. And I ate it with a side of salad and some ranch dressing. Very simple, delicious meal. These buffalo cauliflower wings, so good. Nice and crunchy. Okay, so it's almost 8 o'clock and my battery's dying, so I'm gonna make this quick. That sums up today's video. That's what I ate today and what I did today. Exercise, went grocery shopping. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.